Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this video of yourself like painting a minifigure of yourself, I guess. So you're going to paste this prompt here. I will put it in the description box down below as per usual. I'm just going to add in a picture here as well. Go to tools, create images. You'll also need Google Flow for this. You'll get credits, so I think you can use it for like 1 or 2 videos, so you can do that. You're just going to wait for it to generate, and then once the photo has been generated, you're going to save your photo, and then you're going to go to Google Flow here, create with Flow, new project, and you're going to do frames to video. Add in your picture. Let's do portrait here. And do crop and save. Okay. And then once it's been uploaded, it's taking so long to generate everything. Sorry. You are going to type in just like create a slow moment or something like that. Then you're going to press this button. Oh, okay, I don't have enough credits, but you're just going to type that in and you're going to wait for it to generate. It says you need more AI. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. Unfortunately, I cannot show the end result, but it's going to look like you're painting your own minifigure. Why do I say that weirdly? Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.